After studying this module, you shall be able to know about causes of data loss, how does data recovery works, how data recovery software works, and what are the different tools or software used for data restoration. Storage devices have become one of the most essential devices of our life. People of every age group use these devices nowadays, be it a portable hard drive or just a pen drive. These storage devices are reliable. Unfortunately, despite of the constantly growing reliability on these devices, loss of information in a digital format remains a big issue. Loss of important digital information can be much painful at times when it is most needed. At such times, the first step followed by us is data recovery or restoration of deleted files. General causes of data loss can be a hardware failure, software failures, power cuts, software malfunctions, or simply human errors. Deleting the files unintentionally is one of the very common reasons of data loss. Any information deleted from a storage device is almost always recoverable. It gets difficult when a lot of changes have been made to the storage devices, like overwriting the device with lots of files several times. But the modern day tools available for restoration of these deleted files makes it easy to restore the deleted data by providing a user-friendly interface. Using these tools is easy, and all you have to do is follow some steps and the restoration process begins. Restoration of files has a forensic perspective. Many a times at the crime scenes, the culprit or the criminal may destroy the storage devices so as to hide the evidences or to misguide the investigation. In such cases, it becomes necessary to recover these files to make sure that there is nothing left while investigating the crime scene. In such cases, there are chances that the deleted drive may have evidences of great importance. Hence, restoration of deleted files becomes important for forensic investigation of digital crimes. Now, we shall discuss about the data loss causes. Among the most common data loss causes are, first, accidental deletion of file or folder. Windows have different file systems. Now, depending upon the file system, Windows will delete file differently. For Windows FAT file system, the OS marks the file directory entries as unused and it destroys the file allocation information. For NTFS system, it just marks file entry as unused, deletes record from the directory and marks disk space as unused. For most of the Linux or Unix file system, it deletes the file descriptor and sets the disk as free. A file descriptor is nothing but the information about file location, file size, file type, etc. The main purpose of deletion is to release the space occupied by that file and make it available for a new one. The storage space is not wiped or cleaned immediately. This makes the actual file data to remain on the disk until this storage space is reused to store a new file. Second is file system format. File system format can be started by mistake. For example, by specifying wrong disk partition or unclear actions as to storage handling. The way the format procedure works is by creating an empty file system structures on the storage and overwriting any information below it. Now there are two possibilities. First, if file system types coincide, it will destroy the existing file system structures by overwriting them with the new ones. Second, if the file system types differ, The structures are written to different locations which may destroy the user data. Now the third, logical damage of a file system. This may occur due to power loss or hardware failures. Sometimes they are even caused due to software failures. The modern day file system have a high level of protection against file system logical damage, but this proves useless against hardware or software malfunctions. Even a small piece of wrong data written to a wrong location on the storage device may destroy the entire file system structures and can make the file system not readable. Fourth is loss of information about partition. This kind of failure may occur due to different reasons, including failed FDisk operation or user errors that usually results in loss of information about partition location and size. Fifth is storage failure. Some of the few indications of storage failures are storage doesn't start, makes unusual noise, overheats much, has problems to read data. In these cases, the restoration is done carefully. Now, remote data recovery. Recovery experts do not always need to have physical access to the damaged storage device for data recovery. We know that the recovery can be done by software techniques, but they can also be performed using remote access software over the internet like LAN or other connection to the physical location of the damaged storage device. There is no difference between this technique and what normal user does on his or her personal computer. Now we will see how does recovery works. Even after deleting the files, the information still remains on the storage, provided that the storage has not been overwritten by other information. If not so, then recovering the deleted files becomes way easier. As mentioned earlier, recovery chances depends much on the data loss situation itself and that no information is recoverable after overwriting. Data recovery software serves to get back the data after the loss of information with maximum recovery of the deleted files. When we delete a file on the computer, the first place it goes to is the recycle bin. Emptying the recycle bin makes the file far more inaccessible. But this process doesn't actually remove the file from the storage device. When we delete the file, the computer's file system removes the path to access the file and designates the space used by the earlier file as available for future whenever needed. The binary data, that is the ones and the zeros that make up the file, are still present on the storage device, hidden until they are overwritten with another file. The deleted files are inaccessible, are in a constant danger of being overwritten. So this data can be recovered using professional data recovery tools. Data recovery tools are specially designed to scan the drive and locate any recoverable data, then piecing it back together and providing it in a salvageable format. The best recovery tools provide a preview of the recovered files, filtered and searchable results, easy file restoration, and additional tools. These recovery tools can be used to restore files of any type or size, from pictures, music, and videos to documents, spreadsheets. Data recovery software can locate and restore emails, executables, and compressed files. The best file recovery software can even maintain the folder organization of your files, and it may also be able to recover a complete partition or a drive. The best file recovery tool has a broad scope which is equipped to restore files from all sorts of storage media regardless of how they connect to the computer or what file structures they consist of. Most of the recovery needs are for files lost on a hard drive or a USB jump drive, but data can be restored from CDs, DVDs, camera cards, MP3 players, external hard drives, and more. The data recovery chances depend much on the actual cause of data loss and further users' actions. Now we shall discuss about the 4 phases of data recovery. Phase 1, repair the storage drive. This step is followed when there is a physical damage to the drive. The drive is repaired so that it runs in the same form or at least in a state wherein it is suitable to read data that is present on it. Phase 2, image the drive to a new drive or a disk image file. Imaging of the drive is done using the available software tools. When the hard drive fails, the importance of getting the data off the drive becomes the top priority. This step is followed only when the drive is not in a good condition. An image of the drive is created. The imaging ensures that there is a secondary copy of the data on another device on which it is safe to perform any testing and recovery procedures without harming the original source. Third phase, logical recovery of the files, partition, MBR, that is master boot records, and MFT, that is managed file transfer. After the drive is cloned, it is suitable to begin the next step, that includes retrieval of lost data. This will be the first step when we are recovering data of the drive from which the data was deleted. Now the fourth phase, it is the repair of damaged files that were retrieved. Data damage can be caused. This happens when a file has been written to a sector on a drive that has been damaged, and hence there is a need to repair the retrieved data. Corrupted documents and files can be recovered by several software methods. These methods are very easy and provide good result. Corrupted documents can be recovered by several software methods or by manually reconstructing the document using a hex editor. Now we will discuss about the software used for data recovery. The data recovery software offer various features like recovering deleted data from hard drive, SSD cards, USB pen drives, CD, DVD, camera, media players, and other devices, and support various file format systems like FAT, FAT16, FAT32, NTFS, ext2 or ext3, etc. They also scan, filter results, use wildcards for searching specific files, retrieval of files with various file formats including DOC, XLS, JPG, JPEG, PNG, PSD, ZIP, MP4, HTML, and many other formats and more. The 10 best data recovery software are mentioned below. First, Data Rescue PC3. Data Rescue PC3 provides a disk imaging feature that lets us make a byte-by-byte copy of the image in the early stages of mechanical failure of the disk. This software also monitors events like the formation of bad blocks in the hard drive and also monitors the physical environment like the temperatures as well along with data recovery of deleted files. Second, OnTrack Easy Recovery. ROL, OnTrack Easy Recovery Professional has filtering tools that helps to sort the large amount of data the software can recover. Easy Recovery is well known for recovering Microsoft Office files. This tool can be used to scan USB flash drives, MP3 players, and even smartphones. Third, Stellar Phoenix Windows Data Recovery Professional. This software allows for used defined file type searches along with data recovery option. This software comes with imaging options and a smart interface to help diagnose the data loss and to help from further damaging the drives. SMART is an acronym for Self-Monitoring, Analysis and Reporting Technology, which is your hard drive's own utility for warning you of potential disk failure. This tool helps to create image wherein a functioning copy of the drive or device as an IMG file is made. You can create an image of the disk, partition or a particular region. This software also has an option to create a clone of the drive. Cloning a drive creates a bit by bit mirror copy of the drive. Fourth, Seagate File Recovery. Seagate technology provides additional options to improve the recovery results, including a data recovery service. It also offers a variety of scanning features to help minimize the amount of time that is spent in scanning a large memory storage device. It lets us to scan by file type. It also allows to pause, save, and continue scanning later. Fifth, RStudio. Apart from data recovery, this tool provides additional features like being able to scan the network connected drive or device that much other software provides. It also features disk sanitization, which allows you to wipe or clean your old drives before it is discarded. Sixth, Data Recovery Wizard Professional. Ease US Data Recovery Wizard Professional is a good choice for hard disk drives suffering from logical data loss. This software proves to be one of the best in data recovery but lacks additional tools. Seventh, Recover My Files Professional. Along with recovery of deleted files, this software proves good in recovery of files from a reformatted drive. This software comes with disk imaging and a built-in hex editor. Eighth, Get Data Back. This software has an easy-to-use interface with a largely spontaneous operation. The deep scan option present in this software allows it to look beyond simply the lost data to find other partitions that may have been overwritten or lost. Ninth, Power Data Recovery. This software works well even with an SSD card. This software comes with a lot of tools for additional purposes. 10th, Salvage Data Recovery. This software works well for deleted file recovery. This software recovers lost and overwritten files with their original file names. These files can be a picture file, video, or even a music file. Of course, it is very evident that no data recovery software is perfect. If a file has been overwritten, the chances of recovery are low, even if the best recovery software is used. But if it's not been long, then the chances of recovering the deleted files are very high. Now, the significance or the forensic significance of restoration of deleted files. Many a times, a computer system is found at the crime scene. The perpetrator may delete the entire file, the file system, or clean up the hard disk so as to cover his tracks. At such times, it is necessary to find out the data that was deleted. This data will help in the investigation. To obtain this data, it is necessary to recover the complete storage media that was deleted or say cleaned off. Many a times, this deleted data may contain routing tables, cache memory, router configuration, file systems, temporary file systems, audio-video files, pictures, documents, spreadsheets, and so on. Recovering these files will help in narrowing the search and will help to solve the case. Restoration of the deleted data has been followed since many years as a basic step in the investigation. Restoration of these deleted files will help to guide the investigation. Sometimes files recovered may be the files most needed for the investigation purposes. Now we will conclude this module with the summary. Storage devices are one of the very essential devices used by people in this modern age, be it a portable hard drive or a CD or a DVD or just an USB pen drive. With the growing reliability on these devices, the threat of data loss remains the same. Many a time, people unintentionally delete or erase important files. The major cause of data loss is the human error. Most of the times, people delete important files by mistake. The other reasons for data loss are hardware or software malfunctions, power cuts, file system format, or logical damage to the drive. Data recovery becomes the ultimate solution to restore the files that have been deleted. Even after the data is deleted, it remains on the drive, and this is where it can be recovered using different software. The 4 phases of data recovery are: first, repair the drive; second, image the drive to the new drive; third, logical recovery of the files; fourth, repair damaged retrieved files. The recovery can also be done remotely, wherein the drives connected are detected and then recovery process is started. The deleted data has a forensic significance. This data can guide the investigation. The deleted data can be any document, a spreadsheet file, a picture, an audio or a video file. Recovering these files can prove a lot helpful in solving a crime. There are many softwares that are being used for the restoration of the deleted files. These software tools used for the restoration of the deleted files are Data Rescue PC3, OnTrack Easy Recovery, Stellar Phoenix Windows Data Recovery Professional, Seagate File Recovery, RStudio, Data Recovery Wizard Professional, etc.